Wait. Okay.
Thomas and the Waterfall, a cartoon movie by John, Peter, and Christopher.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there were two engines named Thomas and Gordon. One day, Thomas said, "Can we go by the waterfall? I want to see the views."
Okay. Christopher.
When Gordon said, "Yes, Thomas, let's go on the water track." So Thomas raced Gordon, and Thomas won, but when he got to the bridge, he felt something very interesting. He was sleeping, and then Gordon was chugging along. When he stopped, and then Thomas was sleep chugging, and then he woke up in a surprise when he saw Gordon finish the race, and when he saw Gordon, he said, "Watch out!" And then he went down the But when Gordon said, "Ha!" and he started to panic.
Oh no.
And
Christopher, move your head. I can't see.
Trying to bump into each other.
Oh no.
When Gordon didn't see Thomas under the bridge, he started going forward until And then who comes to save them? The nice airplane.
Oh, thank goodness.
Good named Rocket.
Oh.
He swooped his nose to let Gordon's other passenger get out of Thomas's way, and then he moved Gordon on the switch track. So Thomas couldn't crash into Gordon
Thank goodness.
anymore, and then he zoomed away, trying to save other people.
Uh-oh, I heard there was a loose penguin from the zoo, and he was a killer penguin. Is that true?
And there's a bad guy penguin escaping from the zoo.
Oh no. And he raps.
And he's about to crush Thomas.
Oh no.
The airplane rushed to save Thomas
From certain defeat.
when
And the police.
It kept him
And where are they going to put him?
in jail.
Oh
no. That's not good. And he was there forever and ever and ever.
Oh, is that the end?
And Thomas got back on track.
Oh, thank goodness. Is that the end?
Whoops! Dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
The end. A John, Peter, and Christopher cartoon.
Very good. Thank you.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait.
Watch
Bow again.
The
Very
watch.
good. Topher, take a bow. Okay.